Hello everyone, John Drennan, Sales Manager at Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation. And you know how when you think about certain things and you throw it out there in the universe and all of a sudden things come around and you're like, wow, I must have sparked something. Well, that's happened. About 30, 45 days ago, Adam Levitt, the National Director of our Renovation Loan Department here at Fairway, him and I did 3-part series. We put it on YouTube, we put it in social media, all about renovation loans, how they're such a powerful tool in today's market. And recently, what I've seen a lot nationwide here in Las Vegas, but also in many other areas, I've seen a lot of agents put on social media cash only, investor, flip properties, all these wonderful things. And I'm thinking to myself, well, wait a second, if I'm the seller and I have a property that is maybe worn out, doesn't have a kitchen, maybe just extremely outdated, why am I looking for only cash only? Because if I'm looking cash only, these are gonna be investors, they're gonna look for a sweetheart deal so that they can put enough money into it to rehab it and then turn around and sell it for a profit. Why not sell it to an actual borrower who's getting renovation financing? The renovation financing, they're probably going to buy the house for really what it's worth in the condition that it is. The borrower is then going to renovate the house, put all the things that they want to do to turn a house into a home and actually have intrinsic value there too. But if I'm a seller's agent and I have a client, an investor, just a random person saying the house isn't up to snuff, it needs a lot of work, just sell it for cash on a fire sale, you may be losing $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, and that's affecting your commissions, and that's definitely affecting the seller's bottom line. So if you have that house that needs a lot of work, don't just put out their cash conventional. Some people say conventional, but a lot of people are just saying cash only. Don't do that. Contact me. Let me educate you on the process, because you could find some wonderful borrowers, families, whatever it may be, to buy the house for really what it's worth, even in the condition, so that they can do a renovation loan. And the difference between a 30 to 45 day escrow and a 5-day cash close, if that difference is $10,000 to $30,000, in my professional opinion, the seller's losing out, your commission's losing out, and more importantly, a nice, wonderful family is losing out the opportunity because maybe that's the only loan that they qualify for, finding a house that needs to be fixed up, and you're not selling it to an investor who's just looking for pure profit. So once again, John Drennan, I'm licensed in 18 states, Fairway's licensed in all 50. Call me today. Let's talk about renovation loans. They are the diamond in the rough, and I'd love to help sellers make more money on their sales. I love to help agents, make great commissions that they have earned and deserved. And most importantly, find that young couple or a family to be able to buy that house that says, guess what? We love the area, we love the bones, we love the structure, we love the location, but you know what? It just doesn't have a kitchen, it doesn't have a bath. It needs $100,000 in renovations. These are the things that we can help with. Call me today, text me. I'm always available 7 days a week, so thank you very much. And remember, if you see a diamond in the rough and it says cash only, think renovation loans, think John Drennan, call me and let's see what we can do to help you.